So there's an iPhone app out there that I would probably recommend everyone to go and uninstall. And it's, I think, probably one of the most installed applications in general. And it's actually the Facebook application. Now, I will personally never install this ever again on any of my iPhones. Well, not my personal one. This one is not my personal one. And the main reason for this, there's actually 30,000 different reasons, but I'll boil it down to the first couple of ones. From my experience of having the Facebook application installed, it has actually sucked up so much storage and battery life out of my devices, it's not even funny. Now, as you can see, I'm not installed. I don't have, an account logged in. So you're really not going to be, missing on it too much. It's not really going to, show me any notifications. It's really not going to suck up anything in the background. But one of the biggest things, and if you currently have Facebook, the application installed on your iPhone, you can make your way over to your settings. You can go into general, you can go down into iPhone storage and just take a look at how much storage Facebook is actually taking up. Now, if you don't really use Facebook, then that's a completely different story. But if you actively use that application, take a look at how much, data is being taken up for that specific app. It's pretty insane in my opinion. Now, the way to fix this is to completely delete that application. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you don't have the access of going on that specific app anymore. All you have to do, and what I would recommend people to do, is instead of having that application downloaded, what you can do is you can make your way over to your internet browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever it is, and you can access the application this way, via the website. Now, the advantage of doing it this way is that you don't get, all that data taken up for that application, and you also don't get the battery sucking that the application does too. And just like with the app, you can still get certain things. And with iOS 15.4, I think they're going to start allowing you to be notified of certain, notifications within these applications too, or these, websites. I'm not 100% too sure, but that's something that was said earlier. So that's a big deal. But even if not, you still have access to the complete entire Facebook profile that you normally would online. So you don't have to go and, go from Facebook, the application, and completely switch up how you use it. You may not be able to do certain things. Like I don't think you may be not able to do Facebook Live or anything. But if you just want to check out Facebook and everything that's going on, this is probably one of the better ways to do it in my opinion. The application, if you use Facebook or whatever, then go for it. I'm not here to discuss it. But this application, beyond all the other applications I've used, there's only two apps that really suck up the most amount of data on a phone, and that's WhatsApp and that's Facebook. And since WhatsApp, I don't really use WhatsApp anymore, Facebook is the one that is really, really insane, and it definitely takes up probably the most amount of storage and battery. And this is probably the most widely used application I've ever seen that has these many problems in my opinion. So in my opinion, I would probably never install the Facebook application, like, actually use it. And I would just go in the internet browser and probably just use it that way in my opinion. So that kind of covers it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.